What's up, PV fam? Thank you for watching, and if you aren't a subscriber, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Here we got the Excellence L Carmen room tour. We ended up having the swim out suite. Our room number was 2008. It was such a beautiful room, such beautiful vibes, and everything overall was just a great experience for our 9-year wedding anniversary. Right now we in the bathroom, had the double sinks. They had a pull-out bench too. That's what was shown before. They got the mirror to do your makeup on. Plenty of space in the bathroom. Got its own private toilet, of course, for you and your significant other, or if you travel with somebody else, can do the do in there. And then we had the shower. The shower had a rain head that came down, as well as the one that you could pull off with the attachment, the sprayer on you. The water was very hot if you needed it to be hot. The temperature was perfect. You got the towel rack right there. Hang your towels on the dry. Just overall immaculate room. Immaculate room. Then you had a walk-in closet. Of course, the closet had a safe in it. You had your luggage rack. Plenty of space to just unpack and welcome yourself at home. They had a steamer in there. Of course, I brought my own iron, but they did say that you can call down to the front desk to ask for an iron. You had a king-size bed. Perfect bed. The bed was very comfortable, not too soft, not too hard. It was just perfect. We had a nice bench in front of it. That mirror was perfect for selfies, as you can see. Thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. We had a nice living space. It's like a living room area kind of thing to chase. Perfect for just chilling, hanging out. We played some Uno games there. Of course, they have complimentary wine that they give you. Moving on, we had the TV area. Of course, the TV was nice size. I think it was like a 65-inch. Perfect for the room. Again, plenty of space right here if you had some work to do. And hopefully you didn't have no work to do on the vacation. But of course, they had the all-inclusive liquor. We didn't really drink none of that liquor because we brought our own. We normally bring our own liquor all the time. They have plenty of water. Nice fridge, fully stocked with everything you need. Oreos, peanuts, plenty of water. Of course, you see all the beverages that they had. They had an ice chest as well. We went out to the jacuzzi. You could probably fit up to a good 4 people in there, but it was perfect for me and my wife. We took a dip in there and enjoyed a nightcap in there as well. Moving out to the best part of the room was the swim out. It had a nice day bed there, but you could just chill, relax there a few days. It's just a nice vibe, nice and quiet, and so you could just get you some recharge and some relaxation in. The swim out pool, it wasn't heated, I will say that, but of course it's warm in Dominican Republic, so it was perfect for that. But our sun shined on the room in the morning time, so in the afternoon the sun wouldn't shine as bright. So that's where our room was located at. That's how it shined. But it had a couple of little layout spots. It wasn't really a private swim out. Was supposed to be a private with a deck. As you can see, looking up, there was a whole bunch of people that could just see you if they came out on their deck. But it was cool. Everybody respected everybody's space, and we were kind of like centered in all the rooms, whatever. You can look left and right. I highly recommend the room. Highly recommend it. I would definitely come back to this, and I would definitely get this room again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.